For this next cocktail, we are doing the Strawberry Bourbon Smash. The ingredients in it is going to be this homemade strawberry syrup. It's going to be a sous vide strawberries and sugar in a bag. And we let that sit at 135 for 4 hours. And then I mix that with rhubarb liqueur and a little bit of lemon juice. So that's going to be 3/4 ounce of this going in there to an ounce. Couple sprigs of mint, I would say 3 to 4. And then I do probably like 4 strawberry slices, probably a whole strawberry total. Whoop, I lost one. I like to muddle that first with the syrup to really just incorporate that strawberry and get it really muddled. Because as soon as you put the liquor in there, it's kind of hard to mix everything around. And then 2 ounces, I'm using this Judson Moore Bourbon Whiskey. This is actually right out of Chicago, Illinois. Right where we're at. What's going on, Moji? Add ice, shake it up. And for this one, it's just preference. If you don't want the fruit and the chunks, some people are weird, they don't want the mint, whatever, in the drink, you can strain it. Me, I don't mind it, so I just dump it right in. And that's the Strawberry Bourbon Smash for you. No problem.